Yes, the basic rule of particle ni is used in after time in Japanese language. So I have updated here time plus ni plus action. So let's take, even I mentioned in the notes, ni is used after specific time to show when the action is happened. Okay. Sanji ni. So sanji ni ikimasu. It means sanji ni ikimasu means I will go at 3 o'clock. So specific to come this example, ni particle means at here. And if you see the right side, I gave the some meaning. Sanji is 3 o'clock, ni is at, and ikimasu is to go. So ni particle is used to tell the English at. If ni particle comes after time, it means at. Few more examples I have added. Ni with the R's. Okay. Gogo shichiji ni. Gogo means PM. Gogo shichiji ni ban gohan o tabemas. It means at 7:30 p.m. At 7 Gogo shichiji. Go at 7 p.m. I will take a dinner. Okay. Kuji han. Kuji han ni. Kuji han means 9:30. Okay. And when I say kuji han ni means at 9:30. Gakko e ikimasu. Gakko means school. Ikimasu is go. So at 7:30 I will go to school. So this is example again after ni. So ni particle after time, if ni particle comes, it means at. Then few more examples, particle ni. Nichiyobi ni. So ni particle, this is the second type. Ni particle can update after weekdays. Nichiyobi ni tomodachi to aimasu. So Nichiyobi is Sunday. Okay. I meet friend on Sunday. If particle ni comes after weekday, it means on. If it comes after time, it means at. Okay. And again, Ju Ichigatsu. Ju Ichigatsu means November. Suitachi is first. Ju Ichigatsu ni. It means on 1st of November. Nihon ek ikimasu. I will come to Japan. I will go to Japan. So ni particle comes after date as well. So till now we have seen ni particle after time, after weekday, and after date. There are few ways where we not to use ni. Okay, ni particle is not to use after words like kyo. Kyo is today, ashta is tomorrow, konshu is this week, rainen is next week. So this kind of words we don't use ni particle after this kind part like words. Okay, suppose you want to say I will go to school on tomorrow, you can say ashita gakko e ikimasu. No need to use particle ni. How to say I sleep at 11 o'clock in Japanese? So particle ni, ju ichiji ni. Okay, ju ichiji is 11 o'clock. After ju ichiji ni nemas. So you need to add particle ni after time in this case. Okay. Summary and key points about ni. Use particle ni after time. Okay. Whatever time ni particles comes, it means at. English it is at. Okay. Do not use ni particle after the words like today, tomorrow, yesterday, raine, next year, this month, like that. So you don't have to use ni like that words. You can use, I would suggest you to remember Where to use ni? You can use ni after time, date, and weekdays. So these three criteria you should remember. Okay. So yeah, till now we have learned particle ni, where to use, how to use particle ni. So please go and subscribe our channel so you will get a notification on regular updates. Thank you so much.